Now the question before us is, a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and a height of 1 meter. If the outer side of each cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is 12 per square meter, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Now we have to use pi as is equal to 3.14 and the value of under root 1.04 has been also been given. Now what is given us has been given us is that this is the cone which is to be used, and such type of 50 cones are to be used near the bus stop. Now this has the base of 40 centimeter diameter. Further, the height has been given as 1 meter. You will see that the height has been given in meters, whereas the diameter has been given in centimeters, and all the other values are also in meters. So we will change this value into meters. So we will first write what is the value of diameter. (40 centimeter). We know that radius is half of diameter. It will come as 40 divided by 2, 20 centimeter, or we will convert it into meters by dividing it by 100. 0.2 meter. This is the value of radius. Now what is the other value which has been given is height. Height is h is equal to 1 meter. So each cone has a base of 40 centimeter and height 1. Now the outer side of each cone is to be painted. That is the curved surface area of the cone has to be painted. We will find out the value of curved surface area. What is the curved surface area formula? Pi r L. Value of r is calculated here, but value of L is not known to us. We know that as per Pythagorean theorem, slant height, radius and height are related to each other by the formula L square is equal to r square plus h square. In other words, L is equal to under root r square plus h square. We will fill in the relevant values. Value of r is 0.2. What is the value of h? It is 1. Now we will solve it. 0.2 multiplied by 0.2, it will become, let us see, 0.2 into 0.2, 4 over 100, 0.04. 0.04 plus 1, it will become 1.04. In the question, we have been given that under root 1.04 is equal to 1.02. So it will, slant height is equal to 1.02. We will fill in the value here. What is the cost of pi? Pi value has been given as 3.14 in the question. We will use here 3.14 into r. R is 0.2 into value of L has been given as 1.02. We will solve all this and the value will come as 0.64046 square meter. This is the curved surface area of one cone. That is the curved surface area of the cone will be have to be painted from outside. The cone will be painted from outside, and the area which will be painted is curved surface area. So now what we have calculated is the curved surface area of one cone. Such type of 50 cones are to be painted. So the curved surface area of 50 cones is equal to 50 into 0.64046, and when we solve it, it will come as 32.028 square meter. So now the cost of painting has been given as 12 per square meter. Cost of painting 1 square meter is equal to rupees 12. Cost of painting 32.028. 12 into 32.028, it will come as 384.336, or in other words 384.34 rupees approximately. This is the answer. 384.34 is the cost of painting 50 hollow cones. Now we will like to conclude this course. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that usually consists of a circular base. The shape of the cone tapers smoothly from a circular base to a pointed top, and a cone resembles an ice cream or a traffic cone. In a right circular cone, the height, the radius, and the slant height are related by Pythagorean theorem, which states that L square is equal to R square plus H square. The total surface area of the cone is the sum of the area of its base and the curved surface area. Total surface area is equal to pi r square plus RL, or pi r into r plus L. The curved surface area of the cone is also known as lateral surface area of the cone or lateral area of the cone. Curved surface area refers to the area of the curved or slanted part of the cone that does not include the area of the base. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL, where pi means 22/7, R stands for radius, and L stands for slant height. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.